Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on full screen. To begin, launch the game and enter a match or practice tool. Once in game, press the Escape key to open the Options menu. Navigate to the Video tab. Here, locate the window mode setting. Click the drop-down menu and select Full Screen. Finally, click Apply to save your changes and enjoy an immersive experience. If the in-game setting doesn't work, there are a couple of other things to try. First, you can often toggle full screen by pressing the Alt and Enter keys simultaneously. Also, ensure your game's resolution matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. Sometimes, updating your graphics drivers can resolve display issues, providing a smoother experience with higher frame rates. Playing League of Legends in full screen offers several key advantages. It significantly reduces outside distractions, allowing you to focus entirely on the game. This mode can also lead to improved performance, potentially boosting your frame rates by 10 to 15%, making gameplay smoother. Ultimately, full screen provides a more immersive and engaging experience, drawing you deeper into the action. To quickly recap, achieving full screen in League of Legends is straightforward. Simply open your in-game options by pressing Escape, then head to the video section. From there, select full screen from the window mode drop-down. Remember to click Apply to confirm your choice. These simple steps ensure you get the most out of your gameplay with an optimal, distraction-free view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.